me show you how to sew this structure by using boning, this decorative structure. Okay, so I'll bring a long piece of paper. I'll mark the midpoint of my paper, a vertical line like so. So I'll mark the length which I want the design to be. So I'm going to be marking 3 inches, okay, like so. So you can rule a straight line or you can slant your line depending on how you want the design to be. So I cut a long stripe like so, because I'm going to be fixing my boning inside that long stripe. So I also cut a smaller pieces for this horizontal one I'm going to sew. So I'm going to cut that out like so. So please like and subscribe to my channel to get you notified when I'm posting new tutorials. I am Delicious Favor, your online sewing tutor. So I'll be enclosing this this boning with this my fabric like so. I'll be enclosing it. So here is my boning. I cut short ones for the vertical ones, then I'll place my boning inside like so. Okay, so I'll start sewing the pieces like so, the horizontal pieces like so. So I'm going to be sewing it like so. So let me know where you're watching this tutorial from, and you can ask questions in the comment section of my tutorials. And please give me a big thumbs up if you like this trendy tutorials. Okay, give me a big thumbs up. So I'm sewing the vertical piece, okay, I mean the horizontal piece, not the vertical, the horizontal ones, because we're going to start placing the horizontal ones first before we place the vertical long line. Okay, so after sewing, I will now cut it out like so. So then I will now place it on my paper, because we're going to sew it on our paper pattern. So I will cut my boning and insert it into that horizontal line. So I've already placed it. I'll place it at like so on the paper. So I'll sew it like so. So we are going to sew it on the paper before we cut out. Okay, so I've already inserted my boning before sewing it. So we are sewing the horizontal ones first. So this is how I'm sewing it. So it depends on what you want, so you can be able to create the design you want. So I'm already sewing it like so. So I'm sewing the top one. So I've already sewn it. So what I will do is I will enclose my boning in that long stripe, because I'm sewing the vertical one. So I will start sewing it straight like so. So I will sew it to the hem like so, to the end of the long stripe. I will sew it to the end. So after sewing it, I'll now place it on my paper pattern. Okay, I'll place it to the paper pattern. Then I'll start sewing the edge of my boning. So sew it to the end of the pattern paper like so. So I'll go behind the camera and sew that long stripes. Okay, so after sewing, I will show you what I have done. Okay, I've already sewn it like so. So you can make your own slanted. Okay, instead of it being straight, you can make it slanted. It depends on the design you want. So it is super easy. Okay, you just need your boning, your fabric, then you can embellish it. You can add your stone, you can add your pearls, or you can bead it depending on the design you want. So please don't limit your design process. Okay, just be creative with yours. Okay, so after, I will now tear the paper off like so. I will tear the paper off. So make sure you remove all the old papers, then you cut out any loose thread remaining. You cut them out like so. You iron it flat. Okay, you iron the design flat. So make sure your fabric is hot, and make sure that it did not burn your design. Okay, so just be careful when ironing. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. So please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So here is the final design of the structure boning design. I hope this tutorial was helpful.